Let me give you the 3 shifts my clients make before coming off the shots so that they don't experience the weight rebound. This video today is for all the women over 40 who are worried that they will regain the weight once they stop taking the weight loss shots. Stick around because I am going to show you exactly why the weight comes back and what you need to do today to stop that from happening. And if you want my free checklist on how to keep the weight off without the shot, just drop the word stay in the comments below and I'm going to send it right over to you. I'm TJ Hudspeth. I'm a 110-pound loser myself who lost the weight years ago, and I've had the honor and privilege of helping hundreds of women over 40 not only lose weight with the shot and without, but actually keep the weight off after the weight loss phase. Yes, it is 100% possible. Let me give you the 3 shifts my clients make before coming off the shots so that they don't experience the weight rebound. Here's what no one is telling you. Yes, weight regain can happen after stopping the shot, but it does not have to be that way. Let's break this down so that it actually makes sense. First, the weight will come back if your habits of eating and movement look just like they did before you ever began the journey with the shot. These shots don't just magically make being overweight not possible. They work by making you feel fuller faster and hungry less often so that you can stop obsessing about what you eat. So when you stop taking the shot, your hunger cues are going to come back, whether they're from actual hunger, from situations, from emotions. And if you do not have a plan, boom, old habits sneak in and the weight creeps up. Secondly, this is where most people go wrong. They don't build a structure while they're on the shot. They think, I'm losing weight, I'm good. But here's the kicker. If you don't learn how and why to eat while your appetite is under control, you won't be able to do it when it isn't. That's why I help clients with a done-for-you structured plan of simple meals that balance protein, fiber, carbs, and fat in a way that helps keep you full without relying on the shot. Third, as I mentioned, emotional eating is still lurking in the background. Maybe you weren't stress eating for the few months that you were on the shot because your appetite was gone. But once that shot wears off, you will have a stressful day. And boom, you're back in the pantry at 9 p.m. That's not failure. That's biology. But we can retrain that pattern. And finally, and this is a big one, your mindset has to shift. So many women think, well, the shot worked, but I didn't. No, you showed up. You made choices. The shot helped, but it wasn't the magic. You were. You started to let that healthy person that's always been inside of you come out. So if you begin to create that healthy person in weight loss, you can totally do it in maintaining your weight. The goal now is to make this healthy girl come out just as you are and have her be your second nature. So you're not dependent on the meds forever. And if you want my free checklist on how to stay on track without the shot, just comment stay or DM me and I'll send it right over to you so you can feel confident no matter where you are in the journey.